All right, so here we go back at Chicago Midway Airport, and we are hooking up with Island Time. The Islanders, a bunch of coach cruisers and Islanders getting together for 8 days of craziness, and it is going to be crazy, and it all starts today. That's day 0. Here we go.
I just can't get away from a good time.
All right, everybody, so you remember the Carnival Glory? Was it Carnival Glory or Carnival Valor?
Valor.
The Charlie's Angels. I got one of them right here. She
I'm
just
Mom.
she just came off the Carnival Conquest, and now I'm going to the Carnival Horizon, but we met up in the airport, so we got a coach cruiser right here, and we just had a drink and getting everything started off right. So one of the 3 Charlie's Angels, she's missing her other 2, but
Yes,
she's going to go on a trip with them soon. So Chrissy and Nikki, she will see you soon.
Have a good time.
All right, cruisers, so we are here in South Beach. Gonna go get some lunch, and tell you what, the flight and everything was cool. Yeah, flight and everything was cool, but we've had some hiccups along the way. Baggage, I had to wait a little bit for Brent. His flight was about an hour behind me, so went and had a drink with Coach Cruiser Angie, and when Brent finally came, they had taken my bag to an office or whatever, and their line was like 50 people deep. Thankfully, they got my bag to me quickly.
The pit of misery, that line. You should have seen the look on those people's face. Pure dread.
It was pretty bad, but thankfully, I was able to kind of navigate to the front and get my bag quickly.
From someone's advice.
Yeah. So that worked out, but then the hotel that I booked and paid for, they overbooked us, and they didn't have a room. So they put us in a different hotel. I mean, thankfully we have a room, it has 2 beds. I mean, it'll get the job done. We're only here 1 day, and we're gonna just have fun anyway, so it's not that big of a deal, but that's where we're at now, and see what kind of fun we can get into tonight. And until then, we will see you later. So I'm at La Sandwichery in South Beach, and anyway, this is a sandwich shop, and they do more than sandwiches. They do smoothies and salads and such, but I'm here with a customer, John, who has been here before. And what's special about this place, Jeff?
It's been here for a long time. It's known by everyone locals here, and salads are great.
The salads?
Yes.
Have you had the sandwiches, or you stick to the salads
I
pretty much?
stick with the salads.
Yeah?
That's it.
And it's the ingredients are really, really fresh, right?
Fresh.
That's the one thing that I
yeah.
notice about it, yeah.
I'm coming from Hollywood.
Right.
So it's like 35, 40 minutes up.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's where they get the ingredients?
No, I live there.
Oh, you live
so
there.
We drove over here.
You come all the way here, 35, 40 minutes just to eat the salad
Exactly.
and stuff like that for the ingredients and the fresh ingredients. Okay, well, thanks a lot, John.
No problem.
I just can't get away from a good time.